The Seagull Pro is an outstanding cordless robotic pool cleaner. It gets dirt right off the ground, but what's so cool is how it climbs walls, even curved walls of pools. It is amazing.
So whenever you first turn it on, you can select whether you want auto, where it just does whatever it wants, the floors and the walls, just the floor or just the walls. I usually will do one at a time. I either do the floors or the walls, just for efficiency, for how long it runs for this big of pool. So it'll light up, but let's say we're just gonna do the floors. So it lights up, drop it in.
And off it goes. On a full charge, it will clean for up to 180 minutes. When you're ready to get it out, there's a hook that you can attach to a pole to kind of fish it out of the water. Another great thing is just how easy it is to get the filter out, to clean it. Everything about this is really simple and intuitive. And charging it back up, super easy as well.
So it blinks whenever it's charging, and then when it's a full solid green is when it's completely charged, and it'll be red whenever it dies in the water, and then turn to different colors as it charges.
Before going back in water, just make sure you put the little rubber piece on over that. The Seagull Pro does a great job cleaning pools up to 3,200 square feet.